Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a good old-fashioned polish showdown. Autosol versus Mother's Metal Polish to see which one gives the best results on motorcycle metal parts. The test subject, a Kawasaki Zephyr 1100. Let's get stuck in. I've picked out a few key parts for comparison. The engine has a lot of staining, and just to be clear, I won't be using either of these products on the painted parts. Instead, I'll focus on the engine casings, which, to be fair, have a lot of oxidization and staining, and the wheels too. Moving around the bike, we've got the exhaust, the alloy wheels, and on the right side again, the rear footrest hanger, frame covers, and what should be polished engine casings. Then there is the headlight brackets and the front forks, all showing a bit of age, tarnish and dulling. So that's a quick overview of what we'll be polishing today. Starting with Autosol. This one's been around forever. German made and a favourite in garages for decades. It's known for cutting through grime and leaving a decent shine. Now over to Mother's, a popular American polish that's slightly creamier in texture. Some say it's less aggressive but gives a deeper shine. So let's see how it holds up. In terms of price, they're fairly close. At first glance, Mother looks more expensive, but it comes in a 5-ounce tub compared to the 3.3 ounces for Autosol, and you can do the maths if you're bored. Starting with some Mothers on the rear wheel. It's easy to apply, and it's doing a decent job, starting to lift some of the oxidization. Now over to the other side of the wheel with the Autosol. Straight away it feels grittier and more aggressive. It's definitely cutting through faster, but this is just an initial test. Letting both sides dry a little, then a quick polish up. First the Mother's, not bad. Now back to the Autosol side, and woo! It's noticeably shiny already. Even at this stage, it looks like the clear winner. Same process with the chrome exhausts and the alloy caps. Mother's on the left, Autosol on the right. To speed things up, I'll be using a polisher sponge on a drill. Again, first with the Mother's, then the Autosol. Now a final polish with a microfiber cloth on both sides. I've already used Autosol on the left engine casing, and as you can see, the results are solid. So onto the right side of the bike. I'll try out the Mother's engine casings and some of the other parts on that side. Applying it first by hand, then switching to the drill with a polishing head, and even then using my trusty little Dremel style tool for those harder to reach spots, just working away at it. By the way, if you're wondering how I clean the painted alloy of the top part of the engine, that was with GT85 and some cotton buds. Works a treat for that kind of work. In the end, it was taking a lot more effort with Mother's just to get close to what the Autosol achieved with less time and less rubbing. So I gave up on the Mother's and went back to the Autosol. Faster and better results for this kind of job. And here's the results. You could say it's just like bringing a knife to a gunfight. These are very different products for different applications. At the start of this comparison, I assumed that they were direct competitors, but after testing, it's clear that they serve different purposes. Autosol is ideal for most motorcycle applications. It removes oxidization and staining from parts like alloy wheels, engine casings, stainless steel or chrome. It's slightly more abrasive, which makes it effective on older and tarnished surfaces. Mother, on the other hand, feels more like a finishing polish. In my experience, it will be better suited to new or high quality chrome, where you don't want to risk scratching the surface. If you're after quick results and need to tackle heavy tarnished, Autosol isn't just better, it's the one to reach for. But if you're working on already clean chrome and you want a finer finish with easy wipe off, then Mother's is the safer choice. For me, I'll keep both on the shelf, but since I work mostly on older machinery, I can see Autosol getting the lion's share of the use. Hope that was helpful. if you're choosing a metal polish for your bike. Let me know in the comments what you use, and if there's a secret weapon out there that I should try. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into bikes, tools and keeping classic machinery like this Kawasaki Zephyr alive and shiny. Thank you. Bye. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.